Kkot-byeol. I am Soondol the Wizard. Welcome to Soondoland, a mysterious and beautiful land filled with many flowers and a lot of stars. Hi, Ssias.
Hi, Aebeolle. What do you want to do today?
Do you want to make something? I have clay at my house.
Yeah, let's go!
I'm going to make butterflies. Ssias, what are you planning to make?
I'm going to make flowers.
To use the green clay to make my wings.
I'll share the green clay. I need some to make my leaves.
No, I need it.
That's not fair. Give me some of the green clay.
It is mine.
No, it is mine.
Let's stop fighting.
Okay.
We can talk to Soondol the Wizard.
You know, Soondol the Wizard will have wise advice. Let's go.
Who is there?
I'm Ssias the seed.
I'm Aebeolle the caterpillar.
Hi, Aebeolle and Ssias. What can I do for you today? We need advice. I want to use the green clay, but Aebeolle the caterpillar will not share.
I need the green clay to design my butterfly.
I also need the green clay to make leaves on my flowers.
Stop arguing. Why are you both only making butterflies and flowers? You should work together to build something different and new that is good for both of you. How about making a tree together? Making a tree is a good idea. On the tree, both of you can put your butterflies and flowers. I can show you how to make a tree out of clay. Wow, that's an amazing tree.
Yeah, making a tree is a good idea.
Aebeolle, bring your butterflies, and Ssias, bring your flowers, and put the butterflies and flowers on the tree. Remember, together you can make something new that is good for both of you, not just yourself. Thanks for the wise advice.
Thanks for helping us, Soondol the Wizard.
Ssias, I'm sorry for not sharing the green clay. Next time, let's make wonderful creations together.
I'm also sorry, Aebeolle. Let's not fight. Let's play together, make fun memories, and create new ideas together. Bye, Soondol the Wizard.
Goodbye. See you next time. Bye.